महाराष्ट्र में अचानक कुछ जिलों में औरंगजेब की औलादें पैदा हुई है। सवाल ये उठता है कि अचानक इतने औरंगजेब के औलादें कहाँ से पैदा हुई, इसका असली मालिक कौन है, ये भी हम ढूंढ के निकालेंगे।
While Maharashtra is considered to be the land of Chhatrapati Shivaji, an aberrant Aurangzeb fan club is on the rise in the Kolhapur area, where violent clashes broke out regarding a WhatsApp status praising the Mughal king and his ideologies. Tensions prevailed in Kolhapur city of Maharashtra on Wednesday, following a violent protest by right-wing outfits over some social media status messages reportedly glorifying Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb and 18th century Mysore ruler Tipu Sultan. Right-wing Hindu organizations had organized a rally to protest some social media posts glorifying the two rulers. However, once the rally had concluded, certain miscreants began pelting stones at homes and business establishments owned by the Muslim community and attacking their vehicles. The police had to use lathi charge to disperse the restive crowd. Following fracas between groups of both religious denominations, the police resorted to lathi charge and got the situation under control by late afternoon, clearing the streets of the protesters. Internet services have been suspended till Thursday evening, while prohibitory orders have been issued till June 19, banning assembly of 5 or more persons, said a senior police official. While urging people not to take law into their own hands, Maharashtra Home Minister Devendra Fadnavis said that the state government would not tolerate anyone glorifying Aurangzeb in the land of Chhatrapati Shivaji. While it is natural that there will be anger if Aurangzeb is glorified in Chhatrapati Shivaji's Maharashtra, action will have to be taken against those taking law into their own hands. But there is a need to investigate how so many of Aurangzeb's sons have arisen suddenly. Have they risen to deliberately spoil the state's law and order situation? Who is behind all this social tension? Said Mr. Fadnavis, stating that such incidents blemished Maharashtra's reputation as an industrially progressive state. Meanwhile, Kolhapur Superintendent of Police Mahindra Pandit, while elaborating on the trajectory of the violence, told reporters that he had informed the Hindutva outfits that the 2 FIRs had already been lodged in the social media posts case. We appealed to the protesters to thus end the protest, he said. The opposition, meanwhile, is up in arms. NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar, who had earlier alleged that the ruling parties were encouraging communal trouble in the state, said that there was no need to give a religious colour to the glorification of a Mughal ruler, even if it was wrong. The Thakre faction of the Shiv Sena too lashed out at the Shinde-Fadnavis government for the Kolhapur violence. This government's failure to maintain law and order is affecting Maharashtra's economy, said MLC Anil Parab while speaking with the media. Investors are unwilling to come to a state with volatility. For industrial development, peace is a must.
देखिए, महाराष्ट्र में अचानक कुछ जिलों में औरंगजेब की औलादें पैदा हुई है, जो औरंगजेब का फोटो दिखाते हैं, औरंगजेब का स्टेटस रखते हैं, और इसके कारण एक दुर्भावना समाज में पैदा हो रही है और इसके कारण एक तनाव भी निर्माण हो रहा है। सवाल ये उठता है कि अचानक इतने औरंगजेब के औलादें कहाँ से पैदा हुई, इसके पीछे कौन है, इसका असली मालिक कौन है, ये भी हम ढूंढ के निकालेंगे। कौन जानबूझकर महाराष्ट्र में कानून व्यवस्था खराब हो और महाराष्ट्र का नाम खराब हो, ये करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ये भी हम ढूंढ के निकालेंगे। लेकिन मेरा इतना ही निवेदन है, परिस्थिति पूरी नियंत्रण में है, कहीं पर भी अभी अनियंत्रित इस प्रकार की व्यवस्था नहीं है, अव्यवस्था भी नहीं है। लेकिन मेरे सबसे निवेदन है, कोई भी कानून को हाथ में न ले, कानून को हाथ में लिया तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई की जाए।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.